Hi and welcome to the channel. Today no big cinema here. We will have a closer look for differences of the GoPro 7 and the GoPro HERO 8 Black for underwater footage filmed with the Protune mode of the GoPro. The Protune settings of both cameras were completely equal. I have chosen some clips for you from my last trip to Egypt, and here we go. So here we see both GoPros side by side in Protune mode. If you are interested in the best settings for the Protune mode, I do mention them later in the video, but first we will have a look to the footage. What I immediately noticed was a much brighter and more contrasting Protune footage of the GoPro HERO 8 Black. Here now we did the Protune footage of the GoPros. I really did my best in edit for each one. Both GoPros did a great job here. Don't compare the clips too hard, because I have edited them at my own discretion. Nice to see, not more, not less. Yep, what's the difference? If you have a look to the close-up area, you can see big differences in sharpness. The GoPro 8 is clearly ahead here. This difference cannot be corrected in post-processing either. Even if you give the GoPro 7 a sharpness of 85% during post-processing, the image of the GoPro 8 convincing with only 75%. While editing this clip, I noticed two things. First, the color spectrum is not equal. Have a look for the right upper corner of the picture. The water, for example, have absolutely different colors. It was almost no problem to get the same results in the edit, so I'm not really sure about what we have here. The second thing I noticed, the fisheye effect of the GoPro 8 is much more pronounced with the same settings. This becomes all the clearer when you look at the speeded up footage and pay attention to the left side of each picture. Meanwhile, GoPro released the update version 1.50, within you can film in 4K 60fps linear, so I don't really care about that little problem. When you film objects in the blue, like here this awesome eagle ray, you almost have no differences between both cams. So which one is a better GoPro? Well, for high-end underwater footage, I recommend the GoPro HERO 8 Black. The difference in the close-up sharpness is so significant that I have to use the GoPro 8 in future. How do you think about that? Let me know your thoughts in the commentaries below. Okay, here now my recommended settings of the Protune mode for filming underwater with the GoPro HERO 8 Black. But don't forget, you have to edit the footage when you film with the Protune mode of the GoPro. Bitrate. For the highest quality, set the bitrate to high. Color. For more details and shadows and highlights, set the color to flat. White balance. For more precise adjustments in post-production, set white balance to native. ISO. Set a minimum of 100 and a maximum of 400. Shutter. Set shutter speed to auto. Exposure value compensation. Set EV-comp to minus 0.5. Sharpness, low or medium. Okay, this was my first and maybe last comparison video. I hope you did enjoy. If you want to learn more about the GoPro underwater, you're warmly invited to my Facebook group, or you can join my subreddit on reddit.com. See you and bye.